Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, February Daily Math, Day 8. We have a couple different problems here with numbers 1 and 2, so let's get started. We're going to start with the number 159, and we're going to add 316. All right, let's come over here and do some work. 159, and we're going to add 316. Okay, 6 and 9 is 15. 5, 6, 7. 3 and 1 is 4. So our number in this heart is going to be 475. Now we're going to subtract 425. So 425. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. So our answer is 50. And now it says divide by 10. Well, let's just get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0. What is 5 divided by 1 equals 5? So 50 divided by 10 is 5. Reverse check. 5 times 10 is 50. All right, good work. Number 3. Students in Mrs. Johnson's class are making valentines. They use 6 pieces of red paper and 3 pieces of white paper. They use twice as much purple paper as red and white. How many pieces of paper do they use in all? Okay, so they use 6 pieces of red and 3 pieces of white. So that's 9 pieces altogether. But they use twice as much purple as they do red and white. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and they have to double that just with the number of purple. Okay, so that's 18 pieces of purple, right? 6 pieces of red, 3 pieces of white, so that's 9, twice as much purple as red and white. So that's 6 and 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. How many pieces of paper do they use in all? Okay, so they use 6 red, 3 white. 6 plus 3 was 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Purple. So, how many pieces of paper do they use in all? So 6 plus 3 is 9. And 9 plus 18 equals 27. So they use 27 pieces of paper in all. That's a lot of paper. Number 4. Imagine a candy bar above this line, above this number line. How many total pieces of candy are between 0 and 1? Okay. So here's our number line from 0 to 1. Okay. This is a candy bar. How many total pieces of candy are between 0 and 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Color the first piece. What fraction did you color? Well, we colored 1 out of the 4 total pieces. So we colored 1/4 or 1/4 of the total pieces. 1 out of 4. Number 5. Rachel practices her violin for 20 minutes each day. How many minutes does she practice in 5 days? So how many minutes? So we're looking for the number of minutes, and she practices 20 minutes each day. So day 1 is 20. Day 2 would be 20 plus 20 is 40. Day 3 would be 20 plus 20 plus 20, which would be 20, 40, 60. Day 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. Day 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Or 20 times 5 equals 100 minutes. Sometimes it's just easier to count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, boys and girls, great job with that. Make your corrections if you need to there, and circle any, ask me any that you just did not get, and we'll go over them and keep learning, all right? We'll see you tomorrow for day number 9.